Hello, hi, Namaskar. Welcome to a new session. In this session, we will be discussing about Class 6 Civics Chapter 2, and the topic is that is Prejudice, Discrimination and Inequality. In this session, we will be discussing about some important questions of the Chapter 2 Civics Class 6. So let's start the session very quickly. And the first question of today's session, that is which article of Indian Constitution states that untouchability is a criminal offense? Which article of Indian Constitution states that untouchability is a criminal offense? And the options are for the question number 1, Article 25 to 28, and the option 2, that is Article 17, and the option 3, that is 51, Article Clause A. Which article among the following options states that untouchability is a criminal offense? And the correct answer for the question number 1, that is Article 17 of Indian Constitution states that untouchability is a criminal offense and it should be abolished from Indian society. Okay, next question number 2. And the question number 2 asking you that who believed that the Dalit must fight against the caste system? Who believed that the Dalit must fight against the caste system? And the options are for the question number 2, Mahatma Gandhi, Vivekananda, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Among the following personality, among the following famous Indians who believed that the Dalit must fight against the caste system? And the correct answer for the question number 2, that is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, believed that the Dalit must fight against the caste system. Okay, next question number 3. And the question number 3 asking you that which is not a evil practice in our society? Which is not a evil practice in our society? And the options are for the question number 3, that is education, untouchability, and sati pratha. Among the following options, which is not a evil practice in our society? And the correct answer for the question number 3, that is education is never be a evil practice in our society. Untouchability and sati pratha was a evil practice in ancient India or medieval India, but education never be a evil practice in our society. Okay, next question number 4. And the question number 4 asking you that the national emblem was adopted by the government of India in which year? The national emblem was adopted by the government of India in which year? And the options are for the question number 5. Option A, 15th August 1947. Option B, 26th November 1949. And the option C, that is 26th January 1950. Among the following options, which year, which year national emblem was adopted by the government of India? And the correct answer for the question number 5, that is on 26 January 1950, the Indian government adopted the national emblem. Okay, question number 6. And the question number 6 asking you that Hindu Succession Amendment Act passed in which year? Hindu Succession Amendment Act passed in which year? And the options are for the question number 6, 2005, 2006, and 2007. In which year Hindu Succession Amendment Act passed in? And the correct answer for the question number 6, that is in 2005, Hindu Succession Amendment Act passed by the government of India. Okay, next question number 7. And the question number 7 asking you that the design of Indian national flag was adopted on which year? The design of Indian national flag adopted in which year? And the options are for the question number 7, 22nd July 1947, 1st April 1936, 15th August 1950. Among the following options, which year the design of Indian national flag was adopted? And the correct answer for the question number 7, that is on 22nd July 1947, the design of Indian national flag was adopted. Okay, next question number 8. And the question number 8 asking you that how many fundamental rights are mentioned in Indian Constitution? How many fundamental rights are mentioned in Indian Constitution? And the options are for the question number 8, 6 fundamental rights, 7 fundamental rights, and 11 fundamental rights. And the correct answer for the question number 8, that presently there are 6 fundamental rights are mentioned in the Indian Constitution, but previously it was 7 fundamental rights, but currently there are 6 fundamental rights enjoyed by the every citizen of India. Okay, next question number 9. And the question number 9 asking you that which of the following is not a fundamental right? We know that there are 6 fundamental rights mentioned in the Indian Constitution, but the question number 9 asking you that which of the following is not a fundamental right? And the options are for the question number 9, right to property, right to equality, and right to freedom of religion. And the correct answer for the question number 9, that is right to property, is not a fundamental right. It was before, formally it was a fundamental right, but presently this was deleted from the Indian Constitution. This was deleted, sorry, this was not deleted in Indian Constitution. This was deleted from the fundamental right. And presently the right to property is only a legal right, and right to equality, right to freedom of religion is a fundamental right. Okay, so option number 1, right to property, is not a fundamental right. Okay, next question, question number 10. And the question number 10 asking you that dash says that every person is equal in the eyes of law and needs to be treated equally. Dash says that every person is equal in the eyes of law and it needs to be treated equally. And the options are for the question number 10, Supreme Court, Constitution, Narendra Modi. Who said that every person is equal in the eyes of law and needs to be treated equally? And the correct answer for the question number 10, that is Constitution of India, says that every person is equal in the eyes of law and needs to be treated equally. Okay, next question, question number 11. And the question number 11 asking you that which kind of stereotypes common in our society? Which kind of stereotypes common in our society? And the options are for the question number 11, that is gender based, caste based, color based, and religion based. Which kind of stereotypes common in our society? And the correct answer for the question number 11, that is gender based stereotypes common in our society. Okay, next question, question number 12. And the question number 12 asking you that which of the following men arrested for violating segregation law? Which of the following men arrested for violating segregation law? And the options are for the question number 12, that is Mary Wollstonecraft, Indira Gandhi, Rosa Parks, and Kate Millett. Which of the following women arrested for violating segregation law? And before answering you, and I will clarify about that what is actually segregation law. In South Africa there are exist segregation law. That means there is separate rule for black people and white people. There are separate churches, there are separate bus stand, there is separate railway station, beaches, parks, swimming pools, etc. for the white people and the black people. This separation, this law is known as segregation law. And the correct answer for the question number 12, that is Rosa Parks, the woman arrested for violating segregation laws. Okay, and this is all about today's session. If you enjoy this session, please like, share, and subscribe this SST with Suresh channel. And still you not subscribe this channel, subscribe kindly. And if you enjoy this session, drop a valuable comment from your side. And thanks for watching.